I was looking on Pinterest trying to find some ideas, and I ran across over 50 ideas to get inspiration from the fantastic creators found on Pinterest. There are some really neat ideas on this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes, I'll recreate one of the winning ideas.
That's when you get the hit that makes you feel alright. You'll be high and trouble's out of sight. So don't you hang around that viper in the night. You'll be high. You take one hit and you'll be swinging with the band. When you hang around that old viper man. That old viper man, and let temptation lead you by your lily hand. You'll be moving your body to the dance when you cut it with that old viper man. You'll be high. You take one hit and you'll be swinging with the band when you hang around that old viper man. Stay away from that old viper man. Don't you take that fruit he's holding in his hand. Just one bite and you'll be swinging with the band. If you hang around that old viper man. You'll be high. You take one hit and you'll be swinging with the band when you hang around that old viper man. Heard it told about that old viper man. Maybe I'll hang around that old viper man.
We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be really helpful but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free so I can continue making videos. I'll have another creative video you're going to love on the screen soon. Go ahead and watch that video and I'll see you there.